Part 1, let's solve that equation. 3x squared minus 14x minus 5 equals 0. I'll try factorising it. So it's going to have to be 3x and x equals 0. How do I get 5? Well, that'll be from the number times number. It can either be 1, it can only be 1 or 5. One's positive, one's negative. And the 5 is obviously going to have to go here, because that's going to give me my 15x. And the 1's going to have to go here. I want it to be minus 14x, so it's going to be minus 5 plus 1. Always check. 3x squared, good. Minus 15x plus x, minus 14x, that's good. Minus 5, marvellous. If I've got that, something times something equals 0. Either 3x plus 1 equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0. And so 3x equals minus 1. So x equals minus a third, or x equals 5. So I've done the first bit. Second bit, sketch your curve. Well, I've got that. X is minus a third, about there. Make sure it's clear. X is 5, somewhere along here. And when x is 0, when x equals 0, y equals nothing, take away nothing, minus 5. Y equals negative 5. So I need to have negative 5 there. And I've got to make it fairly symmetrical. And it's a U shape because it's positive x squared, so it's a U-shaped curve. So it's going to come down here like so. It wants to be fairly smooth, it wants to be clearly symmetrical. Just check I've done what it said. It said indicating all the coordinates of all intercepts with the axes. I have all three ones. Right, find the value of c for which the line y equals 4x plus c is a tangent to the curve. Well, 4x is quite steep, so it'll be a line going something up here, but just tangent, just touching it. Don't know exactly where it is, but it means there's other ways of doing this, but I'm going to find the gradient of this and find out when the gradient of the curve is 4. So, part 3, I need to have dy by dx, and that is 3x squared, so 2 comes from multiplied by the 3, that gives me 6x minus 14. So when gradient is 4, because of y equals 4x's, 6x minus 14 equals 4, so 6x equals 18, so x equals 3. So it says x equals 3. And now I'm trying to get y equals 4x plus c. And to do that, to find out what c is, I need to know a point on that line. So I've now got x is 3. So when x equals 3, y, because it's on the curve, equals 3 times x squared minus 14 times x, which is 3, take away 5, which equals 27, take away 42, take away 5, and that equals minus 20. So 3 minus 20 lies on the curve and on the tangent. So we sub into y equals 4x plus c. As always, I always write a little x onto there and a y onto there to make sure I substitute them in the right way around. Y is minus 20, so minus 20 equals 4 times x, which is 3, plus c. So minus 20 equals 12 plus c. So c equals, take away 10, 12 from both sides, minus 32. And I have just found that c is minus 32. Have I answered the question? Find the value of c, for which it is. You could have done it different ways, but as I say, that's mine. And that's question 10 and the whole paper done.